Hi, and welcome to my channel about the toolman.com. Today I'm gonna go over Milwaukee M18BDD-402C, which means this is 18 volt, has two batteries, 4 amps included, 60 Newton meters, 13 millimeter chuck. It can drill in wood, 38 millimeters in metal or steel, 13 millimeters, has 2-speed, and it's metal case with LED light and with 4 amp battery, weighs 2 kilos. Also has this set includes F1218C charger, which is not a fast charger, but it can charge M12, M14 and M18, 2 amp hours in 40 minutes, 4 amp hours in 80 minutes to be fully charged. Let's check the drill inside now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also down below in the description you will find a link where you can purchase this product from Amazon, and I will earn a small commission about that. Okay, this is the actual tool. Battery can be released by pressing on these two buttons, and we release the battery from the holder. So it has two batteries, charger, and the case. I'm gonna move the case because I'm gonna do some drilling. Let's go over the charger. Here you can put the M12 batteries. Here you can put M18 and M14 fuel batteries. So this is the charger. The batteries, they're identical. Has a battery charger indicator. This is factory, so they're not actually charged. It's in the lower level. I'm gonna check the battery on the back. So we slip the battery like this inside. This battery, it's going here in this charger, just not to forget to say that, like that. We can plug the charger just to see what will happen. So take the battery. These are the indicators for 12 and 18. When I place the battery, the indicators start turning red, which means the battery is empty, and it starts to charge the battery. Because this is 4 amp battery, it's gonna take 80 minutes, hour and 20 minutes to be fully charged. I'm not gonna charge now. We're gonna go do some drilling now, but first we're gonna go over the tool. Okay, let's place the battery. There is a belt holder and a bit holder. So there's two bits. You can put 25 millimeters and 50 millimeter bit. 25 should be something like this. Or you can switch the bit holder on this side and the belt holder on this side. has two speeds, so speed 1 and speed 2. Now in speed 1 has 450 rpm, and in speed 2 it can go up to 1800 rpm. It's with metal chuck. There's a force. So for drilling, for example, if you put in one, you have greater torque, lower speed, and has 16 positions for the torque for screwing and 1 position for drilling. So we're gonna try to put some screw in the wood and see how it's working. So first, before we start screwing, we need to put the bit holder. You can put the bit holder inside. It can be magnetic. And then we need to tie the chuck. So it has to do a click. Now it's tight. Then we need to put the drill bit inside, and we're gonna put some screws. So let's see, we're gonna put, let's say, 4. Take a bigger screw. Let's take bigger screw. Try something bigger. This means that this bit is not proper, because this is positive drive 2. We need the positive drive 3 for this purpose, for this screw. So I'm gonna change and take the PG positive drive 3. Let's increase the torque. Let's see, all the way up to 16. No problem. Now let's try some other wood screws, for example. But we need to change the bit holder. We need a nut driver. So we'll try a small one first. Wow, really strong torque. Now I can change for bigger one. That's it. Okay. Now we're gonna drill some holes. Let's check, for example, wood. See. Like Jackson metal. So it's quite powerful. Overall, quite powerful. So that's Milwaukee M18BDD. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.